Well, box of new radio gear I got from a friend of mine, and rather he paid for it for my birthday. I got it from South Carolina. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Hooray, I didn't cut my fingers off. SWR meters, Radio Shack. Hey, look at that. D104. Got a couple of noise toys on the side here, it looks like, maybe. It might need a little repair on the bottom there. A little cleanup. Good to go. Power supply from Sears. Frequency counter. Galaxy frequency counter. Sears Road Talker. 40 channel mobile. Microphone. I believe it's for the other radio that's in here. JCPenney 6247 AM sideband mobile, aka / mobile base station. Looks like it's got some switches on the side. I think they're for extra channels. We'll have to adventure as we go. Well, that's all that's in the box, so I'll be making videos of each one of these as we go along. So thanks for watching, and I do appreciate it. And please like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe.